In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll start right from a simple web search and end at the domain section you own inside Squarespace. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace and hit Enter. From the results, choose the official Squarespace website. This ensures you're on the right page with the latest layout and security in place. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, look toward the top right corner for the profile icon. Click it to open your account options. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and enter your credentials securely. Two quick tips here. Make sure you're using the correct account for the site you want to manage, and consider enabling multi-factor authentication, if you haven't already, to keep your account safer. After the menu opens, select Account Dashboard. Think of this as your control center. It's where you can access your sites, billing, permissions, and other essentials. If you manage more than one site, you'll see them listed here. From the dashboard, choose Website. This takes you into the management view for the site you're working on. If you have multiple sites, confirm you're inside the correct one by checking the site title or thumbnail before moving on. Inside the site's settings area, find the search field, usually located near the top of the panel. Click the search field to activate it. This is a quick way to jump directly to what you need without scrolling through every settings category. Type domains into the search box. You'll see the list of settings narrow down to anything related to domains. This saves time and keeps you focused. From the filtered results, click Domains. That opens the domain management area for your site. Here you'll find options related to registration, DNS, and connections. Finally, choose the section labeled Domains I Own. This view shows domains that are registered directly in your Squarespace account. It's different from domains you may have connected from another provider. In this section, you can review ownership details, check renewal status, and see DNS controls. If you're only connecting a domain from elsewhere, you won't see it here. It would appear under Connected or Linked Domains. A quick word of caution. Avoid changing DNS records unless you're sure what each record does, as it can affect your site's availability and email routing. If you're experimenting, consider documenting current settings before making edits. And that's it. You searched for Squarespace, clicked the profile icon, went to the account dashboard, opened your website, used the search bar, selected domains, and then opened Domains I Own. Pause the video as needed and follow along at your own pace.